If you're a music streamer on Twitch or YouTube or anywhere and you use Streamer Songlist, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your overlays so you can include the artwork for every song you're playing, just like this here. Or if I do this, it'll show you my queue, and every single song in your queue will have the artwork associated with it as well. So this is a free thing you can download on GitHub, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install it and set it up. This is the homepage for the Streamer Songlist album art overlay. There are written instructions here you can follow, but this video will walk you through everything you need to know. First, you need Python on your machine. Head to python.org/downloads and grab a version. This was written on Python 3.10, so I know it's compatible with that. It should work on later versions too, but let me know if you hit any problems. One thing you mustn't forget, when you install Python, tick the box that says add python.exe to path. Here's what that looks like. If you skip this, you'll run into trouble later. Right, downloading the app. On the GitHub page, go to the right-hand side, click Releases, then click Latest. Under Getting Started, download the source code as a zip. Once it's downloaded, go to your Downloads folder, right-click the zip and choose Extract All. You can put the extracted files wherever you like. I'll leave mine in Downloads for now. You must extract the files, don't try to run them from inside the zip. The app pulls down a few Python libraries it needs to run, so to install these, right-click inside the extracted folder and choose Open in Terminal. Then copy and paste the command pip install -r requirements.txt. I'll copy that into the notes. You only need to do this the very first time. Once it's done, it's done. You can forget about it. Close the terminal when it finishes. Right, running the dashboard. Double-click Run Dashboard.bat. If Windows shows a security warning, just click Run. This launches a command window running the server and opens the dashboard in your browser. It's really important to leave that command window running. You can minimize it, but don't close it. It needs to stay open for the overlays to work. So for the first time setup, when you first load it, there's no username set, so enter your Streamer Songlist username and then click Test Connection. You should get a green tick confirming that it found your account and how many songs are in your list. Leave the other settings as they are for now, but scroll all the way down and click Save Settings to lock in your username. So next, go to the Songs tab and click Sync Songlist. This pulls down every song, name and artist from Streamer Songlist. The artwork columns will be blank at this point. But next, click Find Artwork. This is where the magic happens. A progress bar runs as it checks the iTunes database and others for matching the artwork, roughly one song every 10 seconds. As it works, it saves the images into the library subfolder inside your extracted folder. So you can let this run through your whole list or stop it early. Once stopped, it shows every song it's matched to an image. These start as proposed images, they're not yet confirmed. Go to the Review tab to confirm the images, using the buttons or the keyboard shortcuts to move through them quickly. The app shows what it thinks is the best match and often offers alternatives to choose from. If the first pick is right, just hit Confirm and it moves to the next. If one comes up blank, click Find More to search other sources. If it picks the wrong image, it happens occasionally, check the alternatives and choose the right one. For your own unreleased songs, you can upload your own image and attach it to a specific track. Whatever you confirm here is what shows up on your list and your overlay. For most covers, it's very quick since it usually gets the right artwork first time. Right, the overlays. There are two overlays, one for your song queue and one now playing card that shows the song in position 1. These previews stay blank until you've got songs in your actual queue on Streamer Songlist, so add a couple there first and they'll appear in the preview. For the queue overlay, you can toggle fields like position numbers, set the maximum number of songs shown, and show who requested a song. Remember to scroll down and click Save Settings for changes to take effect. There are 4 presets: dark, light, minimal and glass. Minimal is fully transparent with no box. Glass is a transparent grey that lets your background show through in OBS. You can also adjust the font size, art size, row spacing, and the accent colour for the position numbers. The Now Playing overlay works the same way, but is slightly larger and only ever shows one song, the song in number 1 position. Same presets, plus you can toggle the artwork and caption. Rename the caption, it says Now Playing by default. You can show or hide the title, artist and requester, and choose a slide or fade animation. So to use these in OBS, copy the overlay path and paste it into OBS as a browser source. There's a separate path for the cue and the Now Playing overlays. Position them wherever you like and add fades if you want. In OBS, mine shows no signal only because my camera's off. So for a quick recap, for this to work during a live stream, the service must be running the entire time. So before you go live, click Run Dashboard so the command window is open. That's what checks your Streamer Songlist queue every 10 seconds. It barely uses any resources. Mine sits at 0% CPU. You can minimize it, but don't close it. So the super quick version of this is enter your username, test the connection, go to your songs and sync, then find artwork, then go to the overlay tab, add a couple of songs to your queue so you have something to work with, configure the overlays how you like, then copy those paths into OBS. Job done. So this is just version 1 of this app, and I'd love to develop it further. If you've got any ideas, please let me know in the comments.